Hi guys, welcome to Green Plant Guide. If you want to have a garden full of flowers in heat summer, please come with me. Since the extreme heat changed the landscape and garden, full sun shrubs are great for landscaping. Full sun shrubs thrive in sun-baked spots and arid conditions, even in summer, no matter how hot it gets. After a run of hot summer and fears of damage to garden, flowering shrubs for full sun are enjoying buster popularity. In the future, some shrubs, including roses, will have to be swapped for full sun shrubs such as Bouganvillea, which are more resistant to heat. Bouganvillea grew 3 to 39 feet tall. They are evergreen where rainfall occurs all year. It's sometimes called paper flower because its flowers are thin and papery. Abelia kaleidoscope grew to 3 feet tall. Kaleidoscope is a great name for this full sun shrub. You will see green, yellow, red and dark purple combination on the foliage of this colorful plant. The more sunlight, the more warmth, then it blossoms so the little flower are the best ever color you can get. Robinia, known as black locust, great plant as full sun shrub where sunlight is plentiful and the soil is dry. It reaches a typical height of 40 to 100 feet tall. The flowers open in May or June for 7 to 10 days. Calycanthus, this aromatic plant called sweet shrub, with numerous dark to purplish brown tepals. Flowers are produced from spring onward until October, growing to 13 feet tall. Ringed Sun or Robinia. Ringed is a very decorative full sun shrub. It has shiny dark green compound leaves. Color display is frequently enjoyable. Grows 7 to 15 feet tall. Butterfly bush, easy to grow. Sun-loving shrubs with rich colors, bloom from summer to fall and attract butterflies. Loropetalum chinense or ever-red is super easy to grow and fast-growing. Grows about a feet a year. Is a great shrub for adding color to your landscape. Flowers are bright red. They give you a strong but harmonic effect, looking like butterfly wings scattered all over the bush. Elephant bush, slow growing but basically impossible to kill. It will tolerate any amount of heat. You won't get a lower core shrub than this. Grow 8 to 12 feet tall. Oleander, it can tolerate any amount of light and heat. This full sun shrub needs low core and grows 6 to 15 feet tall. Japanese maples can stand alone as a single spot with a bright appearance. It is important for the effect on leaf color. Tell me please how the heat wave affected your garden and please comment which full sun shrub do you like. Thanks for watching, do it yourself and enjoy gardening.